different key levels, but just know this logic is universal no matter what key level you're trading into. I teach a little bit more in depth about this subject within my mentorship, but let's get right into it. So some of the basis for our profiling starts from trading into key levels, right? And you want to see how these candles form. See, this 2 a.m. candle opens low and sweeps this previous 4-hour candle's low while trading into a key level, which in this scenario is this fair value gap. And as you see, when price starts to expand away, it prints that C2 signature or that reversal candle closure and expands and then hits that drawn liquidity, which is this external range liquidity. What does price do here is kind of this basis of liquidity theory, or the universal model of IRL to ERL. In this slide, we'll be talking about 6 a.m. reversals. This is when the 6 a.m. candle puts in a reversal signature. As you see, the 6 a.m. candle opens low and takes this 2 a.m. candle's low and also sweeps this relevant low, or this relevant swing. And then we start to expand away from it, and we pair liquidity trading into this IRL. So price in this situation went from ERL to IRL. Here we have a 10 a.m. reversal. As you see again, 6 a.m. kind of stalled, didn't do much. 10 a.m. was stayed. 10 a.m. then opens low, trades into this key level, puts in that reversal signature, and then expands away. Now, this 10 a.m. continuation slide is also applicable to 6 a.m. or even 2 a.m. continuations. This is when the previous 4-hour candle prints the reversal signature but does not meet the drawn liquidity. So you could position yourself within this new 4-hour candle and expect it to reach that drawn liquidity, right? Because you want to see liquidity be paired. Again, going back to that universal model basis of now we swept ERL and we want to see it trade back to ERL. As you see, the 6 a.m. candle opened low, sweep that 2 a.m. candle's low, puts that reversal signature, fails to take that drawn liquidity. So then you could expect 10 a.m. to open and give you an opportunity to then trade towards this ERL. Here is a lower time frame example, kind of just how it prints and delivers on the lower time frame. So you see you have 10 o'clock here, comes and sweeps that previous 4-hour candle's low and also manipulates this relevant low. You see here again then on 10 o'clock, we take out this 9 o'clock candle's low and print that reversal signature. Somewhere in between these lines, you're going to see SMT probably at this relevant low, right? Or even at this previous hour candle's low. As you see here on the M5 or the 3-minute chart, we show that there is SMT between these lows. This low right here represents this 9 a.m. low that you see price comes and sweeps. We have SMT at that low. And then how do we know if price is going to reverse? Well, with reversal signatures, which my favorite one to use is a closure above opposing candles, which is a change in state of delivery. As you see price here, we get a change in state of delivery, and then we start to expand away from that point in price. Thank you for watching. If you liked and enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Catch you later. Peace.